Hello and welcome to the Cheap and Easy Cooking Show. What's up, my peeps? If you like my content, please share and subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell notification so you don't miss a single episode. Hello and welcome to the Cheap and Easy Cooking Show. This is a great platform to show people how to make creative, low-cost food items. Times are getting tough. Everything's going up. And just because everything's going up doesn't mean your food has to suck or be boring. I have a lot of creative ideas to show you how to make quick, low-cost food items. A lot of the food items that I showcase in my videos are around $5 or things that you already have in your pantry or refrigerator. These are creative ways to make food interesting with the food you have already or food that is low cost. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, I want as many people as I possibly can get to learn how to make these quick, easy food items. Thanks for watching, and I hope you subscribe today. Thanks.